Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank y'all for tuning in today. We're out here at the mill house and we just put an edge on the Hillside G660, and we got a big maple down here with the top blown out of it from last summer, and it's pretty much rotten at the top. So we're going to go ahead and cut it down, see if we can't salvage a saw log out of it, maybe some firewood. So I figured I'd bring you all along. In the meantime, check out this bushcraft knife I made. The handle's out of the red oak here from this log, and you know, I thought it turned out pretty good. This was a lot of fun. Neat little project there, and just piddling around this morning. Anyways, we'll go ahead and get over the hill there, get set up, and see if we can't drop this maple. Alright. Well, that went alright. If you can't tell by the video, this is darn steep in here. But we got her down. Top's right up near the flat. Right there's the sawmill, so won't have too much of a struggle there. Hopefully that heart rot stops somewhere in here and we get a nice 10-foot log out of it. Alright, well, I just lost the top of my tripod there somewhere in that mess. Been up and down the hill there 4 times looking for it. We're going to give up on that one and go get a different one. But anyways, hi Atlas. We're doing a 2-to-1 ratio here with the snatch block. There's the head of the log. Got the snatch block. Got it rigged a little high there in that maple. Hopefully just to make pulling easier. And we're up here on the flat. Going to pull out that way. Let me get that other tripod, I'll get you set up, and we'll either get this log up over the hill or break the top of it out there. Option 3 happened. We broke our tied strap. Not surprised. That's why you never want to pull in line though, guys. Look at this. This 10 pounds worth of rigging jumped 30 feet up the hill. That's why I like these directional pulleys. That allows you to get good in the clear. All right, take 2. That's a lot of log right there. Oh yeah. We got 20 foot just to here. Sure is pretty out. So check this out, guys. It didn't go down without a fight. Old LS was pawing. Granted, it's rained for the last 4 days. Anyways. Still pretty impressive though. Woo! All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get 2 logs out of this. We're gonna get a nice solid 10-footer and an 8-footer. The rest of this, we're gonna buck up here in the firewood. Let's get it. I have to finish with the little 290 because I'm out of fuel. I gotta get it on the store and get some. So this here's the reason why we're after this tree, in hopes that it's got spalding most of the way through it. Maple usually has a couple awesome features up its sleeves that you just don't know about until you open it up. It's all good and solid too. All right, well, we got them up here. The downfall is, of course, heart rot all the way through. I still think we're going to get some solid 6 to 8 inch boards, you know, off of it. So we'll start with this one, and if it's got good features and patterns in it, you know, any ambrosia marks, which I think there will be, and spalting, we'll whittle it down and see what we get. Super heavy log. Alright, that worked out pretty good. Use these oak quarters there as guides. I wanted to get this on here just to see if it's going to be firewood or not. So it skipped the line. We're set up. Let's see what it has in it. Alright, well, unfortunately, y'all are going to have to wait till next video to see what's inside this maple. The mill's out of gas. The tractor's low on diesel. I'm out of fuel for the chainsaws. We got to get down to the gas station, get stocked up, and then we'll get into this here another day. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. If you made it this far in the video, leave us a comment down below. I sure appreciate your all support, and we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all take care.